Africa, Kenya, Lamu Island. Fastex, with its AKNEYE project, was in Kenya. Lamu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is renowned for its cultural significance and unique atmosphere. With a history dating back to the 14th century, the island's narrow streets, stone buildings, and intricately carved wooden doors stand as a testament to its vibrant past. For an entire week, children from the Ubunifu Art Center on Lamu Island took part in a unique educational program. They learned about the ecosystem, the basics of blockchain technology, and discovered the fascinating world of NFTs. On the first day, Sergey Bichakhchyan, business growth specialist at Fastex, introduced the company, its brands, and the ftNFT platforms, setting the stage for an inspiring experience.
It was a great initiative by Fastex and the AKNEYE project to organize this meetup, and I was very excited to get a chance to connect with the young minds here in this beautiful place, to share about my knowledge about Web3 and the blockchain technology that I'm very passionate about. The future of Web3 isn't just for people in big cities, it's for everyone. And people in places like Lamu have fresh ideas and community values, and if they are given the right tools today, they might become very successful leaders in this space tomorrow.
Art lovers were particularly intrigued by the connection with NFTs, which led to an engaging Q&A session.
They were very curious. Some wanted to create games, some wanted to create digital museums in Lamu, and one of the girls even asked if they can use the blockchain technology to help fishermen track their catch.
In the following days, AKNEYE artist Alpha Odh presented the project, sharing insights about his creative journey and collaboration.
This is my second AKNEYE collaboration. This time we did it in Kenya. The first one was in Venice. It's a new thing, I've never done it before. I believe the team hasn't done it before, but yeah, it has been nice. Nice interacting with kids, seeing their minds, seeing them expressing themselves, and seeing the other side of Lamu and their lives. It's really interesting.
Nyambura Wahu, the founder of the Ubunifu Lamu initiative, shared how the collaboration began.
Alpha reached out to me and he pitched the idea, and I really loved it, and he's a very talented artist. So I was so happy to welcome him in Ubunifu. You guys here, AKNEYE and Alpha, having this collaboration, it means so much to the youth of Ubunifu and the kids. What they have painted with the kids, I think we are the most luckiest organization to have the collaboration with AKNEYE.
For several days, aspiring young artists painted on 20 AKNULOONKS sculptures sent from Yerevan, transforming them into one-of-a-kind artworks using details inspired by their natural surroundings.
For this collaboration, I reached out to AKNEYE and Nyambura at the same time, because I felt like me, AKNEYE and Nyambura, we could come up with something very productive for the kids. And my target on this collaboration was me to bring in my artistic practices, AKNEYE to bring in that crypto, NFT and digital side of things to the kids at Ubunifu Lamu. The main idea for this collaboration was for the kids to have a wider range of materials to play with.
A special AKNULOONKS sculpture exhibition is planned in Dubai, where proceeds from sales will be donated to support the children of the Ubunifu Art Center. Fastex and AKNEYE remain committed to promoting education and creativity across the globe. The future of the talented children at the Ubunifu Art Center on Lamu Island is in good hands.
It doesn't matter where they are born, it's where they are going.